Have you heard? Santa is at Dollywood. Join me as we go see Santa to determine whether or not we're on the naughty or nice list.
Well, it's not as cold as the north. Yeah, I'm pretty used to it out here. But we always have hand warmers just in case. Yeah. So do you think you're going to be on the nice list or the naughty list?
Naughty.
The naughty? Why do you think that? Has it been a hard year? It has been a hard year. Quarantine has been hard. But you know, Santa's extra forgiving this time of year because, you know, lots of cookies, lots of milk. So, you guys could be on the nice list. You never know. Keep your fingers crossed for sure.
welcome. I am so glad you made it. I tried my best to keep this a secret, but I just had to share this exciting news with all my closest friends. And truth be told, I never was any good at keeping a secret. You know, Santa loves the Smoky Mountains almost as much as I do, and he has been tucked away in his little cozy cabin, just working away to make sure all the good boys and girls are on that special list. We wanted to invite you to take a peek. Shh. Now let's try not to disturb Santa, because he's working, and we don't want him to accidentally forget a name on this very important list. Now, which list will you be on? The naughty or the nice one? Now, I can recall a few Christmases growing up that my brothers and sisters and I should have ended up on the naughty list. But the good thing is, somehow we always stayed on Santa's good side. And I want to wish all of you and yours happy holidays and say Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas, Dolly! Yes. No. Oh wow, you're up in the air. Somebody's saying yes, somebody's saying no. Then you're both shaking your heads. What does this mean? I'm excited. I'm a gluten-free elf, so I've never been, but it all smells so good. Smells so good. But we can eat powdered sugar, gluten-free elves can. So we eat it for like every meal, on everything. It's kind of mixed up. It's delicious. So good. For breakfast, I had a bowl of icing. And then I had just a hot cup of syrup on the way here. I'm gonna have more powdered sugar for lunch. Cause my name's Sprinkle Doodle. I'm the head pastry chef elf at the North Pole. So I make all the cookies and the cakes and the cupcakes and the pies and the donuts and like everything. That's why Santa brought me, because he wants to have fresh cookies every day. So I've already made him 3 batches of cookies today. I know. We've got a tailor elf that fixes Santa's costume if he ever eats too many cookies, which happens quite often. So, but you gotta have energy to be an elf or to be Santa, obviously. So you guys like to eat snacks. Do you like to ride rides or watch shows? Both. Okay, what are your favorite rides?
I like it. Yeah.
The Eagle?
Yeah.
It's so smooth. Nice. What's your favorite show?
I like String Band.
You like the String Band?
Yeah.
Both very good.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, the King Bears are nice to watch right now because they're inside.
Yeah. Yeah.
But the String Band is really beautiful, and they've got a lot of pretty trees on their stage too. Very cool. So you're gonna go get a snack later today. Maybe ride Wild Eagle. I mean, listen, today is your day. You can have whatever you want. You're a Dollywood, and you're seeing Santa. Once you make the nice list, I think you're able to do whatever you want.
Yeah.
If you don't make the nice list, you're gonna have to work extra hard. And see, I got in trouble this morning because I ate all the marshmallows out of Santa's hot cocoa. He does not like when I do that. So I just made him extra cookies, and I'm back on the nice list.
Yeah.
You just gotta know what to do. You gotta get in the right place. You know, you gotta play the game right. Even elves do that. I can eat all the marshmallows. They're my favorite. I love them. I actually fell out of the sleigh last year because I wasn't paying attention because the clouds when you're up there look like cotton candy, and I got very distracted. So I fell out. The blitzing caught me, but I'm not allowed to drive the sleigh anymore. Hi there, friends. Oh, Santa! Yay! Hi, guys. Bye. Nice to meet you. Happy holidays.
Hi, big kids.
Hi.
Come right up. Get as close as you want to see Santa Claus. So Santa's right now on break. He's been working all day on the list. You know you have to get up and stretch your legs sometime. Yeah?
Yep. Warm up a little.
Yeah, warm up. For circulation and everything. Right. See, that's right there. That was made by Dolly Parton's mom. Just like the coat of many colors. It was made a long time ago.
I need one of those.
It's a quilt that hugs you basically.
Uh-huh.
Oh, and that's his favorite snow globe right there. Has snow all the way from the North Pole inside. Plus a little bit of glitter. Definitely his favorite one.
Uh-huh.
My favorite thing in here has to be the nutcrackers. What's your favorite thing in
I
here?
like that Dolly doll.
Isn't that cool?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. He even has her album right there on his desk. Because you know, when Christmas and Dolly goes together, he just has to have it, right?
Yep, exactly. Put it on repeat.
Yeah, put it on repeat all year. Always getting back to work. Now, did you guys write a letter to Santa Claus?
Yes.
Great. Well, it looks like he's about to read one right now. It could be one of yours.
Maybe he can fulfill mine.
Oh, is it a good wish
It's
list?
a big one.
It's a big one? You filled up the whole page?
That was a big wish.
Oh, a big wish. Let's see what he thinks. He liked
Maybe.
it. It could happen.
Never know.
He has a week to fulfill it, right?
Yep. Yep.
That's true. Oh, he's having some hot chocolate. Do you guys like hot chocolate? Do you like marshmallows? Do you put marshmallows into your hot chocolate?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. What?
We make s'mores.
Oh, okay. True.
Yep.
Santa likes a lot of marshmallows in his. He has to call Dolly, right? And he has to eat his cookies.
You both step up here closer to this window so you can take a look.
Because he's going to open up the nice list.
That's a nice list.
Oh, I'm going to cross my fingers, look really close.
Can you get on closer in here?
I made it.
Congratulations! Good job, guys.
Right, congratulations.
Yeah,
That's pretty
it's my
exciting.
accomplishment.
Let's celebrate.
Looks like we made it on the nice list. What about you? Please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. I will see you on that next journey through an Appalachian heart.